I think I'm nearly at the Three Pagodas site. It's gone very cloudy. Look, there's a mountain range there on that side, and I don't know whether it's a continuous mountain range or not. So I shall keep going. This is quite a fascinating place. Park area is beautiful. Nice to see the flowers in bloom. Ponds on either side. And that's the first pagoda I'm coming to. Shame about the sky, but never mind, at least it's not cold. This is the stone cracking frog. You can hear the echo as you hit it. I made it up to the third floor to see the bell in the bell tower. I'm a bit out of breath. And that's the view of the Three Pagodas and the landscape beyond. I don't know whether that's Erhai Lake. I'm trying to get there later. I'm not sure yet. Supposed to be a nice view during sunset, so we'll see. So, that's the view around the top here. That's the view down below. And a mountain range on the side. There's this wall here that blocks my view, so I'm holding it up high. I don't know. That's looking back to where I've been. Okay. Right. And the side. And then back to the Three Pagodas. That is a view from the bottom of this big pagoda. Yeah, this is the big pagoda. And the other pagoda there. And the other one is over somewhere there. There. Right. I thought I could get out this way, but I've got to go back round to the other side to get out. There's a bit of sunshine there by the looks of it. Yeah. This is about the Yunnan tile cat. I don't know what tile cat is. They've got all these cats here. Different cats. I thought they were zodiac signs in the beginning, but they're cats. All around this tree. There we go. This is a tree, some tree, isn't it? I'm making my way back out to the entrance, to the south exit where I came in from. Decided I'm going back to the hotel because it's a little bit too far away to go to the lake tonight. It's already nearly 5:30 and I'm feeling a bit peckish. There's a big lake down there. So I'm going to follow the signs to go out, to go back. That's the way. This is Tianlong Pond. There's a pond down there. No, I don't want to have a look. I'm tired. Right, so I think I'm out. I couldn't find a taxi, so I'm in a, what do you call a tuk-tuk. Hopefully he's got the right address. The different, whoops, it's bumpy. We're off the main highway now, we're on the small road. So I feel a lot better now. Yep, this is the way I came, so we're going in the right direction. It's taking the side streets. No traffic, just pedestrians. Whoa! Right. Come onto a road now. On the side street.